to create and share events using Facebook Lite. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I will teach you on how to create and share events using Facebook Lite. So now let's get started. First of all, start by launching the Facebook Lite application on your device. Now tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on Events. To create your own event, tap on Create. Now, fill in the event name, location, date and time and description. You can also decide if the event will be private or public. You can also include a cover image for your event. After entering all the details, tap Create and your event will be created. And now, you can share it with your friends or invite people by tapping Share. That's it! You have successfully created and shared an event using Facebook Lite. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.